Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the audio interface and sample rate so recordings are clean. This matters for timing and CPU load. Once done, create a new project, add a mono or stereo track, and arm the track for recording. Make sure to select the correct input and monitor levels. Peaks should stay under clipping. Hit the metronome and pre-roll to lock timing. If you hear latency, reduce buffer size or enable direct monitoring, so recording feels immediate and accurate. You now clean and shape the takes. Zoom in, trim unwanted sections, split clips and apply short crossfades to avoid clicks. Once done, comp multiple takes by creating lanes and selecting the best phrases into a single seamless performance. Next, insert EQ to carve frequencies, add compression for level control, and apply tasteful reverb for space. Make sure to automate volume, pan, and effect sends to maintain clarity throughout the arrangement. This keeps each element balanced as the song progresses. You finish by grouping similar tracks to buses, adding subtle bus compression or saturation for cohesion, and balancing faders to get a clear mix. Once satisfied, set the master level peaking around -6 dB to leave headroom, then export either stems for later mixing or a full stereo file in WAV or MP3 with chosen bitrate. If you encounter noise, missing audio, or exports failing, check routing and plugin compatibility. Lower buffer size, disable problematic plugins, or restart N-Track and reset preferences to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.